pale plumbing, masonry, carpentry and joinery, building technology, civil engineering, na we go water engineering. Ase nsema ya computing and informatics, nkwige dibali ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security, na we go na network system administration. Ase nsema ya electrical and electronic engineering, nkwige dibali electrical installation, na we go electrical engineering. Ase nsema ya cosmetology, nkwige dibali hairdressing, we go mbabwate fashion design. Ase hospitality and tourism, nkwige dibali food production yani cookery, na we go food and beverage production.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barare Nyakundi, a principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, eye gotoka Limongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 was a form 4 batagiye universities. Acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera boniga se Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye bali loan cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cy'umwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket.
Margoba engi nando mwanchumo ligiriria ekero tuomeranire nande asembe ochinsa inya ekero ne aliganire boikiranu elionkomanye amangana maya senchera eyo boikiranu ekiunga chinsainye ase Jumatatu ye chitariki isano omwaka yegomuya aso mwaka osomutenyi omutangani andonsi aso tutengerete kurwa karibu sana elionkomanye amangana maya asenchera eyo boikiranu nigo tukubwaterana nere Wilson amakoli kurwa sensemo yebimanyererio nchani gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto kwa ndali tangani tia kuretere asenchira yobwinge
ane sukuru wana na no yokoline gali asebona igano yo moyo masengenjo besenjiyo jikoline rugali na besenjiyo montakora shopping yegera abana baende sukuru
emiroberio yo kuigura gwechi sukuru ase tamwentangani gochaka ase chinsemo imeyense ya Kenya
ora barai egekogero borai bochorire nemesingi yo oborosobia igo bokorosia oburai buko bobuya
obochori bwaborokia bakupet gochigokoreka amatuka makale bosyo.
Even if they have problems, at least let them consult or talk to each other.
Abantu babiri gusiria magima abo ase chinchera cy'obotutukanu imeya Nyamira South Sub-County. Mwanchumo rigereria karibu elionkomanye asenchera eyoboikiranu ekero togochaka nigo togochaka noroboti korwase omuchi obosongo anene kerore ritukolitanga nikigima ekero chiskuru chigendrete koigurwa anene eikiyiga nigo ababulia bange barorekana goichorerana ase chiduka chebitabu imeyo omuchi obosongo erikone kibuna nkonyorera bare abana babo ebintu abo bagokorera amasomo abo Ronye nabo nigo abebulia bu barorekana korera ogokonga kubugima ase babere bakubulia serikali enyareko bakego keya amagulie bintu erikoene kinga obugima nkonyara ko babule ebwo kworoba oroboti oruo nigo rwabo kwareganiwa no muliketo Daniel Ontiri
etabauti na matukande rero aso mocho bosongo mubaro bwaborokigwa bale koirena chiskuru nigororekana gokea ase stage nene ya Kisi yarorekana ko bakawaida aso nonyabo mubaro bweboibuli ororekana ko baigoro ase chiduka chobonia bibinto bichiskuru egati abe bitabu nechi uniform.
January yaikire abaibori bana nende twanyorete shocking kego kwa sababu ntu atenga sana on December. Abana bato minyoki sana igorechi ange chiawa chi 3D chwareta chi t-shirt neji jeans. Chiari chibesi chaita abaibori sana. Abana batu achiko batebi gore ana January nero tokamachiko sana na abana. Bono 3D chiba chiebete bono bachakira mangane school.
Ase bali bake bairenera amasomo abo gochakera rituko lya lero kubolia ni kukwabekwa asa abantere bako maisa sichipara ubunencheremo yogokenia imibasokano na gotoria magima
igo ngosaba abantere babonsi piase baeta ekere kwaigure kwarosire koranje nabo kontebio yondago konye egere ntobase konya komeki chi accident chitaiyo asepara
asense mwende abaibuli ni warelekana kolera okuborwa kwibituki kubwatekana no gokonga kweligo liri bogima babulia aboroki ati babaisa goseria aboroka gochenka kubwatekana no bulemerwa we school fees.
Wanafunzi wakiingia kwa shule tafadhali walimu msifukuze wanafunzi. Kuna manamba za wazazi wetu wako ziko kwa shule, tafadhali tupigie, isiwe tena mwanafunzi anafika shuleni tena anafukuzwa anarudishwa nyumbani mara tunampata anahangaika hapa town. Tujaribu kucommunicate
kwa sababu kwa ni kwarenge government erete buna chibasa rie chimapema aba ibore baike kwa pra egere bakonye kase school fees wana kagetengo chagocha chire mapema egere aba iboni mbanyoro musigo.
Asense mwende sekta ya matatu babolia gokeri kwa ligoliria maguta
aba ibori bandete kuligichi bese chiku bakoirera abana esukuru wana na no yokorine gari ase bona igano yo moyo mase ngenjo bese njiyo jikorine rugari na bese njiyo muntu akora shopping egera abana baende skuru
abantu mbatiri mbogete sana lakini torabara bagotira tima itinki kiabete igoto go sabana na abiria barenka lakini nchumo ende Nairobi nchumo ira abana skuru na intu tonyore kibese chieno tutomera abana skuru.
Asense mwende okubolia ni gukwabekure gochase serikali koene kibona ligoli lya maguta lya keigwe unecheremo yokorobia obosombe hase sektega ya matatu nkuripothiriga taseni kya Gatembe kurega stage nene ya Bosongwe yigotoka se county ya Kisii leterane ngoro kwa Daniel Muntiri.
Biamano omuriketo Daniel Onthiri asengenche gutwariganiria orobotiuru asenchira yoboikiranu ekero totigarite ase sekta yechisemi ingano nyechiskuru chibangire koigurubene keyeiga egati yechiskuru nchiro chitachi koigurwa asengencho ya makongu au chiwetera egati yabone skuru ya Loromoru imeye county ya Baringo eyo yabeteke gutagurwa amonabo bisa aberinani asekeri bagotebabuna nigo eskuru eyo yagachire asobole mu bwe serikali obule aserinani elyo nigo bono babeire bakubwatwa no mondo ko monene anena abaiboli aborokia na baigo aborokiwa asekeri buna tibabwati asabana baguchigokorera amasomo abo anenekero chiskuru chiguigurwa.
Tuko mwaka mbili saa hii bila maneno na watu wengine melete saa hii. Sasa hii ni kazi gani? Tumefanya kazi ya bure kutengeneza amani area hii.
Hii sio shule peke yake. This is a polling station. Hii ni polling station imepigia mpaka president kura. Hii ni polling station imepigia mpaka MP kura. Hivi leo inasemekana labda imekaa kwa forest between shule na hizi vitu zingine zote. Nini ilikuja kwanza kama sio shule?
Wanafunzi wale tulikuwa nao walikuwa 85 wote. Kuna PP1 wanafunzi 32, alafu PP2 wanafunzi 26, alafu grade 1 wanafunzi ni 20, alafu grade 2 wanafunzi ni 9.
Na kama serikali wanakuja kupomoa, wanapeana notice kuambatana na sheria. Sasa hii wanakuja kupomoa usiku na kuiba vitu na kupasua vyakula, unapasua chakula na kumwaga.
Ekero tutigarite ase sekta yechisemi chingaki obochori bwa borokia ba Kupet bwabeire angemono bari bonsi barigetie kurwanirira ebirogo ao ase obochorio bo nigo baba bakwira amasakarabo rituko ria lero nonye nabo nigo executive secretary o KUPPET ase county ya Nyamira oyogosoka maiga yokora aborokia bo ase miaka 25 Lewis Nyakweba niga bagakwira ribagerio na kwiraneri bonsi bari babete bakomochora ngambia mono nabo igokwiranĩria aborokia mbia ase ng'encho yoko mwaribaga ariokobara ase gekakemia keyo yonsi nonye nabo nigo abeire gakobaganiria maya bonsi ao bagenderete kurwanirira aribagerio na kuburia okubwaterana kunyarekoba ogokwenekiwa roboti oruo nigo rwabarukwareganirwa no muriketo Polycarp Okara
ijinga kia matuka makatigarite bosi bobochori na nene kubachora abateneri b'abarimu inse y'ekiombe kimanyikanite na KUPPET kurwase ekaunti ya Nyamira nigo abarwaniriri ao banyariko bagwikia amasakarabo ase chiwa bisicho kiombe kigaime y'omochuriga onyamira
KUPPET power KUPPET power
barwaniriri abo bakweruka trio akubatuka amasakarayo bosi bomorikio munene bw'ekiombe kyo kurwase rusagiro rwa Nyamira South asireta Nyakweba Lewis
ligo na interene na trio iye koro kuna Egidio Sumo Eriko na Emma na ritko ria rero twachire gaiga shops chetu cha KUPPET aseng'encho inturu negati abaria bakorigio borai wa KUPPET
na magega yokubatuka amasakarabo gochase omorikio munene oyogosoka asireta Lewis Nyakweba nigo egati abo bagendere koba bakukanya ngabaise gochorwa nigo baratkunyara koba bakobekia serikali ase kibiro ili kurigiria nene emechando nabo igo ne churu bechagendere koba chikoletwa kubwatakanamo no morio muyebwa masomo OCBE
na kero torigereti gabono amasomo ansire karikira mungu chenchiere twatware CBE na CBA ye ndoroche ne serikali negenderete gochenja amasomo na intu na abarimu egento togosaba na serikali enyare gotrain abarimu buya erinde abanafunzi abo bagocha ba grade 10 tonyare ko barisibe njerere ngia ekiagera ndorocha abarimu abayibori bakoraramika sana selection of schools nibwate changamoto sana njengo sabe serikali enyare korosi njire nyororo
kulingana na barabo nigo bagendere ko bakubude ngabaye gwamagoro anene gochoro kwa basena bigona abasubati unenjira ya moyo gutinya oburayo wiga wekiombe kia abarimu ya KUPPET
tasikia vizuri sana mkinipa nafasi hiyo kama mwana youth ambaye anaweza wasimamia na aswa kuwakilisha kiti kama wamama pia tunafaa kuwakilisha katika women empowerment. Pia ningeomba sana to empower women in politics.
They should judge each of them based on the content of their character, not the clans where they come from.
Nigo boigo bagendere ko bakuburia na amagana abarimu na boigo ne chiskuru zikonyara kabachi kurigirirwa amo ne serikali
boigo tubwatana asobwamo nto basa gutumia misingi ende bochora barai egekogero borai bochorire ne misingi yo oboroso buya igo bokorosia oburai buko bobuya abantu baikeranirwe kokorerwe gasi korengana buna eganeirie
segenta kemo kiabo abari babere bakorera mono korosana sana sabari ba JSS igo batage autonomy na bonta ke togoterina kigima na gotebanga askoganda gochimotwe. That is what we want to be addressed. Totagete abarimu batware autonomy yabo sabari ba JSS
asinsemo ya Lewis Nyakweba yokorire gasije gayo boteneri nane buno murikyo munene bw'ekiombe kigase emyaka 25 igo agendere ko bagakoria iranga nari no kwigena ngabara tunyara ko bakoira ari bageri ko rwasare batkunyara ko bagakora yabo bwikirano
nabonda tukwira ari bagwakira abari mu byamone kiagara abari mu kwari ba for 25 years non stop tarigenduke rais mono igo na maskani ya manene na inchi na bakorera gasibuya na inchi ndate gutiga bari nasomirie waragendera gukorera abari
Nyakweba boigo nigagendera ko bagakoboria eserikali kunyara ko bagekurigirirya anene mechandiri yabo iburi bagwetera kinga kikiga bakwira abana babo ase grade kirige 10 nabo kurigirira igoro yo murubiri yo muyebwa masomo elio abayiburi bukanyora omweso asagendera ko bagakotogie serikali ase okurigirira nabo gusiga sigerengana yogo njirira chisukuru anene abana be grade kiria ge 10.
The ministry through the CS brother Amigos has given now direction na abayiburi na botoko genda chisukuru toboriri bagwetera somo with the SG Prince, which is school Chinene, senior school. Thereafter, they can be able to join the names or the details with the online system.
Gingo ripoti gitasini kia wanchete kia Gatembe kurugaiga imeye kaunti ya Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp Okara.
Mbia mono sana omurikito Polycarp Okara aso gutwariganiria oroboti urwo ekero tugutigana nayo na gusuka gucia sechinsemo chinde imeye kaunti ya Nyamira nigo abanyanyimbo kurwa asegeta seni kia Nyamira bagendrete gukora ubutuki kubwatekana nebikore asabasacha babere baba bagusiria magimabo asechinchera chobututukano nemebere yabo nigo egachire asenkendu ya Nyamira. Philip Ongisa oyo bakagusiria obuguma bwaye kurwa asechinsemo chinsemo chia Nyagenke ime ya Nyamira maiga yokunywa esumu nabo igo ase gekore gitangani giakorekana negekore kende egiakorekana ase chinsemo chinde ase omusacho yo mokurwa ase kenyorogie nchoro ase lieta Eric abakagusiria obugima bwaye ase chinchira chyobo tutukanu nonye nabo korengana no mu sub county commander Onyamira South ase lieta Bernard Atebanigo abereka gotebabuna obotuki nigo bagendrete gokorwa eriko ene kibuna bali bonsi baba bagwikirania egekorekyo anene aso musacho lyotoka gasirete obuguma bwaye ase chinchera chobotutukano mbachikwe mukeriwa egetambokero egetindikeri chiko.
Today, the 5th of January 2021, we have had two unfortunate incidents of death within Bosomaro, Masaba location, Enjoro sublocation, and Nyangenge village, as well as Enjoro village. The first incident involved someone called Eric Mokaya Omwenga, 39 years old. The deceased had a court case at Nyamira Law Court, and he was to attend court today. According to the wife, in the morning he felt sick, and he requested a boda to take him to Oasis Hospital in Mosobeti for medical care. He was taken, and on the way, the deceased requested the boda rider to stop so that he may relieve himself. Unfortunately, after relieving himself, he collapsed and died. The second incident involved somebody called Philip Ongisa Onguko, aged around 41 years, of Nyangenge village. The officers also attended the scene, and it was established that he had taken poison. Both bodies are now reserved at the Nyamira Referral Hospital, awaiting postmortem and further investigation. I wish to advise members of the public, even if they have problems, at least let them consult or talk to each other so that such incidents do not happen again. Of course, I'm aware there are illicit brews within Nyamira sub-county, especially Enjoro sub-location. We warn members of the public not to take these illicit brews and second generation brews because they are harmful to their health. Meanwhile, we shall intensify our raids so that we eliminate that menace within that area.
Oroboti rwo gwichania kigimo mwanchomo ligereria kurugaria asensemeri ya Nyamira asa abantu bagendete kwirusya bomoyo n'abandi gusiria magimabo ase chinjira cyobo tutukanu kurende umwanchomo ligereria oroboti oruna rugotoira ase omutimuko anena asensemi ntangani yekeunga chensa inya ase kagitari getambe ningirane elinyandra gukumanya mange buna agendete gukorekana nabayigo buna nabere ingoko yariganire to basogosukare nkwirana turi ase kagitari getambe.
Welcome to Elimu Academy, a modern school committed to offering the best education for every learner. We are CBC compliant and provide junior secondary education, ensuring a seamless academic journey for your child. We provide excellence in every detail, a modern, spacious library, fully equipped for every learner, a state-of-the-art science laboratory and a modern computer lab, perfect for hands-on, practical learning, spacious, modern classrooms for comfort and focus, top qualified teachers certified by the Ministry of Education. In the latest Kenya National Council for Examinations KJSEA results, Elimu Academy recorded outstanding performance. Out of 48 candidates, 29 exceeded expectations, 17 met expectations, and only 2 approached expectations. Most impressively, 32 learners successfully transitioned to C1 secondary schools, a true reflection of strong academic foundation and consistent excellence. The 2026 intake and admissions are ongoing. Hurry and secure space for your child today. Located 2 kilometers from Kisii town along the Kisii-Keroka highway. Call us on 0741 562 931 or 0780 894 411. Elimu Academy, educating for eternity.
Sukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering nkwegeli bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na we go Water Engineering. Ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics nkwegeli bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na we go na Network System Administration. Ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering nkwegeli bale Electrical Installation na we go Electrical Engineering. Ase ensema ya Cosmetology nkwegeli bale Hairdressing we go mbabwate Fashion Design. Ase Hospitality and Tourism nkwegeli bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barari Nyakundi, a principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali bakore chiskuru cha class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera boniga ase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bari kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye bari chiloni cyo gosoma wetera HELB Higher Education Loans Board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye skuru urendagera na gwakane se nyumba komenya. Egento kende abana nkwaye bari chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries. Echio applications chirororo naba bunge unabono mubungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana Honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba. Egende Tanganyika tabiringa mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wekagwe bursary in full inta abana baito January intake negendereta abana bali bako school January mwakaribishwe togendrete na intake na applications inchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuru yiga ose obakirisi migwetera sinamba chabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Karibu nande omwanchumu ligereria asensemo ya kabere ye kiunga chinsa inye elio togendere kwemanya. Ekero tuguchaka ensemo ya kabere ababunge ba ODM abo balinge koragwa nere Otiende Amolo nigo bakora egeikaro na kugania omuraibu ekiame kyo ya ODM Daktari Oburu Odinga kwarigania egeikaro kia bwango mono elikoane kibuna ngokwanirale na boigo gusonsorana emechando au eyuere ase ekiamekyo ayani gagocha magega ya barai au anene kurwa ekiameki ya ODM kororekana kuruterana amangana asa matuka bwango iga anene ase mitandao na boigo asa matanga.
Being members of parliament elected and nominated under the Orange Democratic Movement ODM party, wish to state as follows. Number one, we continue to mourn the passing of our party leader, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, who passed on about 2 months ago. We know that his death impacted us gravely, but we still soldier on, holding on to the principle that he taught us over the years and that he exemplified in his life, including the principles of inclusion, tolerance, democracy, and unity. 2, we are deeply concerned with the emerging and escalating national rhetoric, degenerating into violence and intolerance, as was recently witnessed in Muranga, where the Lamu County Women Representative, Honorable Mudhoni Marubu, was physically attacked for expressing our opinion on the 2027 presidential contest. We have also been informed of an incident where Kileleshwa MCA Robert Alai is alleged to have attacked and threatened to shoot Embakasi East MP Honorable Babu Owino due to different political views. These incidents follow hot on the heels of the violence that was witnessed in the recent by-elections, especially in Kasipul constituency, where unfortunately 2 people were killed. Unless urgent action is taken to stem these emerging and unfortunate incidents, 2027 will be rocked by untold violence that is likely to undermine free and fair elections. 3, ODM is the largest party in the country. We are further concerned by the spectacle of self-cannibalization that has been exhibited of late in our party. It is testament to how much we miss the wisdom and iconic leadership of our departed leader, Right Honorable Raila Odinga, that divisive rhetoric has taken over our politics without restraint. We call upon the party's elected leadership and the wider membership to uphold the tenets of unity and camaraderie espoused by the late Raila Odinga. It is time to walk back on the rhetoric and come together to build a strong party ahead of next year's general elections. Given the positions of trust bestowed on them, we urge the party officials, including Secretary General Senator Edwin Sifuna and the National Assembly Minority Leader, Honorable Junaid Mohammed, to desist from public verbal slurs and return to the table for internal discussions. We encourage the party leader to call for an internal spitting session to avoid the ongoing mudfest. Number 4, even as we appear to self-cannibalize, we can't help but curiously observe that small parties are aggressively and strategically moving to occupy the spaces previously held by our beloved ODM party. It is for this reason that we request our party leader, Senator Dr. Oburu Oginga, to move with speed, convene the party's
Naboigo omuwaziri bwa machi omuske Eric Muga nigo abaire gakwerera na goteba buna nigo eserikali eywerense yoborai bwa Daktari William Ruto ebwate mirobelie menene anene guchia ase wizari yo abo igo musike muga nigo abereka goteba buna nigo erebia okubwaterana kobaroro erikwane kibuna ewizari ya mache ngochi wikananiriere emeroberi yaye asoboikirano.
To fast track the Horn of Africa project, that is the program that we are doing schemes in the Mandera, Wajir, Turkana, Samburu, the counties that border Somalia and Ethiopia. This is a cross-country program, the Horn of Africa groundwater and resilience program. Some have started, and we are finalizing our contract for other counties. We are keen to actually fast track that. We are keen to progress the irrigation agenda, put more acres under irrigation, because the future now is irrigation, more so smart irrigation. And all this cannot happen without your support. So to our development partners, to our colleagues, the staff at the ministry, the county government, because what is a devolved function, we look forward to a very, very cooperative.
Togo tigana na yo na gusuka gwika county ya Meronge tatono kianda county ya Bungoma asomonogerio monene umusiki Moses Masika wetangula abaga kulira yogo chigosira basaye asechinjira chonsi anene aso kubasirira ebyewa amo nechi talanta chabo ukwana kurwa ase county ya Bungoma litukulia lero nigo musiki Masika abereka gotebabuna nigere buya abasaye gosirwa anene ase byego byabo erikoene kibuna asenchira yemo nkwegendera libale.
I said this to several audiences this December. Huko nje kuna Wakenya wengi sana wanaenda kufanya kazi. Ukienda Dubai kwenye tuko na vijana wetu Kenya Nganga kama balozi, kuna Wakenya 120 wanafanya kazi. Ukienda Qatar kuna Wakenya zaidi ya 85,000 na tayari wamepatia Kenya another 8,500 visas kwenda huko. Nataka kuomba vijana, mimi niwaletea ofisi ya passport iko hapa nje. 2 weeks uko nayo mkononi. Nataka muangalie kwa mitandao ya serikali inaitwa Kazi Majuu. Ukienda huko nje, hata kama huna degree, mshahara 250,000, unapewa nyumba, unapewa chakula, unapewa matibabu, kila mwaka unapewa tiketi ya kurudi nyumbani. Hiyo ni asilimia kama vile hapa, hawa watoto wa Mabeka, hawa vijana wa kuchekesha, kila kitu. It has its own talent, its own niche. Senator, we shall nurture all these young tutawasaidia. Nimesikia ile mmesema we need space. Hii ni shule tunaweza kufungiwa wakati tunataka kuja. Tuko na nafasi mingi. Hata kwa ile stadium nimejenga Kandui, it has plenty of land. We can put space there. Kama katika budget ijayo nitahakikisha seneta wenu atanifuatilia niweke shilingi milioni 50 tuanze kujenga a talent center, tuwajengee theater, tuwawekee nafasi ya kucheza, nafasi ya kudevelop. Seneta wewe niliyotukwana you saw former governor of Kwale Mvurya. He built a complete state-of-the-art studio.
Uya kigimo manchumo ligereri gwikira buhono to gwikira omweli gwikiunga chinsa inye chabono magoroba ngireri baga alia bene kugwakira ngambia mono ya bene asengencho yo wancha gotegerera aboigo gotengera Getembe TV emerobelio au nabo igo kiunga tumerane nande ritukuria ankyo eritogendere kwimanya mange buna agokorekana kurwa ase chinsemo au ekero kukuganiria otwaro butuko borobuya na boigo borigeri borobuya ime ya Getembe TV tobwateranire nere Wilson Makori kurugaria sensemo yebimanyererio ase chinsemo ye chikamera erikoene kibuna eriogi ne chibicha bya gwikirebya nigo twabere nere DJ Atsan erikoene kinga onsi abeire kako wikira aso wikiranu nanche nigo nkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto tigankoganirio tware chinga kichingia goika tumerana ritukuria ankyo.